Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we are going to create a home page, login page and sign up page for an app using neomorphic design in Adobe XD. So watch this video till the very end and let's get started. Here we have already created a blank Adobe XD file. Now we will select the artboard tool and create the iPhone 12 Pro artboard by clicking on that. So now we will select a move tool and then by selecting the artboard we will change the field color. Here I have created all the components just to increase time efficiency, and you can definitely create your own components, or I will provide a link to this Adobe XD file so that you can easily download it and follow along with this video. Now let's come to the designing of home page. First of all, we will design the logo, and for that I will select the text tool and then write my initials, that is KT. And then we will apply the character style designed for logo. Now down the bottom there are two main components, the inward button and the outward button. Here we will select the outward button component and then drag it to the artboard. Now select the component and change its height and width to 72 point. Here we want to make it perfect circle, and for that we will go to the layers panel, then select the component and by selecting one layer at a time increase its border radius all the way up. Repeat this with shadow and base layer. Now we got the perfect circle. Let's move it to the back of the logo text. Right click on the component and then click on send to back option. Here our logo is ready. Now align it to the center line. Now move to the component panel and drag the welcome text component. You can create your own welcome text using text tool. After this, we will create sign up buttons like the one shown on the screen. So we will create a continue with email button. Select the outward button from the component panel and drag it into the artboard. Now select the text tool and type down the text, that is continue with the email. Arrange the text at the center and apply the text properties from the character style. Now let's add email icon. To add any icon, you can download it from internet and then you can simply drag and drop it into the XD file. For the time being, I have made icons into components, so I will use it from the components panel. Simply drag the icon and drop it whenever you want. It's that simple. Arrange it at the right position. Now we have created one button, we will reuse it to create another buttons. So select whole button and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl+D. After that, drag it to the bottom, change its text to continue with Facebook, change the icon with the icon of Facebook. Now our second button is also created. Again, we will select the button and duplicate it by using the shortcut key Ctrl+D. Drag it to the bottom and change the text to continue with Google and replace the icon with that of Google. Here we have created the buttons portion. Now add the option of login for those who are already a member of this app. For that we will duplicate the text from button and drag it down to the bottom. We will change the text to already a member, then login. Once we are done with writing, apply the character properties for that text from the character styles. Arrange it to the center and make the login text bold. Now we will add text for terms of services and privacy policy. For that I have already written a text, so I will copy that text and make an area text box using text tool and simply paste the text into the text box. Now select the text box and apply the character properties from the character styles. Align the text to the center and arrange its position. Now highlight main keywords like terms of services and privacy policy by making them bold. Now we will do some alignment so that we can make it look more beautiful. Here our home page is ready. Now I will change the name of the artboard to home page. Now is the time for designing login page. So for that we will select the home page artboard and then press Ctrl+D to duplicate the artboard. After that, we will delete the components which are not needed. Now we will select the logo and decrease its size. We will delete the welcome text This time we will rename the artboard to login. On login page, we will need username and password of the user account to log into the app. So we will use invert button component to create an input text box. Once it is done, we will add a placeholder text to input field. For that, we will copy text component and change its text to username or email. After doing that, we will change its character style to input field text properties from the character styles. And then we will arrange it. Now we will add an icon of a person, and for that we will drag it from the component panel and place it on the artboard. Now here one input field is created, so we will select it and then duplicate it using the shortcut key Ctrl+D and drag it to the bottom. After that, I will change its text to password and replace the person icon with lock icon. Now we will create a login button. Select one of the button, duplicate it using shortcut key and then drag it upward. Delete the icon and change the text to login. Arrange it to the center. Now we will create an option for forget password, and for that we will simply duplicate the text and bring it upward. Now change the text to forget your password. Now we apply the font properties from the character style panel. After that, arrange its position. Now move all the bottom components little bit downward to create some space below login button. After that, add a text field and change its text to OR. After doing all this thing, arrange all the elements. Sorry, here we forgot to change the value of text. No problem. Change the text to not a member, then sign up. Then change the sign up text to bold. Arrange it to the center. Here we have completed two pages, that are home page and login page. Now comes the sign up page. For that, select the login artboard and duplicate it using the shortcut key. Change the name of the artboard to sign up. Here logo will be at same position. Now select the bottom text and change the text to login and make it bold. For new users who are signing up, we will need their email, password, and we need to confirm that password. So we will start creating according to that. Change the first placeholder text to email. Now remove the person icon and replace it with the email icon. Here we are having an SVG icon, so we can change its color in Adobe XD. Select the icon and change its color. Now here the password input field will be as usual. Delete the forget password text field and move all other elements to bottom. Select the password field and duplicate it using the shortcut key. Drag it to the bottom and arrange it. Change the text to confirm password. Arrange all the components. Oh, we made here a mistake. No problem. Just select it and delete it. Select the buttons from the login artboard and copy paste it on the sign up artboard and arrange it. Here, change the text of this button to sign up. Let me correct this one here. Change this text to already a member, then login. Here all these three text input fields are ready. So let's see the desktop preview. Here we can see that this is the home page, and here is the login page, and here is the final one, sign up page. I hope you liked the design. If you did, then hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Comment down below your thoughts on this design, and if you are new on this channel, then subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. This is Kanu Thakur signing out.